Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll be looking at the best 3D printer for ghost gun kits. This 3D printer is for users who want to create their ghost gun kits with the latest 3D technology. We all know that a quality printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's essential to choose the right one. To help you out, we've compiled the top 5 best 3D printer models for ghost gun kits. Each has been tested and reviewed to guarantee your satisfaction with the end product. This 3D printer is used in any condition, whether you're starting or are a pro at creating ghost guns. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Flashforge Guider IIs 3D printer. Are you ready to enter the world of ghost guns? Introducing the Flashforge Guider IIs 3D printer, the ultimate companion for crafting your personalized firearms. This cutting-edge machine packs a punch with its impressive features. Get ready for serious firepower with a large build volume of 11.0 by 9.8 by 11.8 inches, 280 by 250 by 300 millimeters, providing ample space for your ghost gun creations. And here's the kicker, it's equipped with auto-leveling technology, intelligently compensating for any platform height variations during printing. Say goodbye to manual leveling headaches and hello to a seamless printing experience. Heat things with the Guider IIs high-temperature nozzle that can handle temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. You can experiment with various filament options like PLA, ABS, ASA, PBA, PETG, nylon, HIPS, PA, PC, wood, electrically conductive materials, and carbon fiber composites. But that's not all. The Guider IIs boasts a dual platform designed for excellent model adhesion and quick heat bed heating. Its durable yet flexible build plates make removing your printed masterpieces a breeze. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is Snapmaker 3-in-1 3D printer. Step into the realm of boundless creativity with the extraordinary Snapmaker 2.0 modular 3-in-1 3D printer, the ultimate companion for ghost gun enthusiasts. This machine powerhouse combines the magic of 3D printing, laser engraving, cutting, and CNC carving, opening up a world of possibilities that will leave you spellbound. Prepare to be astounded by its expansive work area, providing ample room for your wildest creations. The A250T model offers a generous work area of 230 by 250 by 235 millimeters, while the A350T takes it to the next level with a whopping 320 by 350 by 330 millimeters, allowing you to bring your visions to life on a grand scale or craft multiple smaller objects in one go. But what truly sets the Snapmaker 2.0 apart is its ingenious modular design, empowering you to personalize it with various modules and add-ons. Elevate your experience with the enclosure, rotary module, emergency stop button, can hub, and air purifier, and anticipate even more exciting enhancements. If you are interested in the fantastic 3D printer, check out the link in the description box to buy it. Number 3 is Anycubic Cobra Plus 3D printer. You introduced the Anycubic Cobra Plus, the ultimate 3D printer for all your ghost gun needs. With a perfect blend of innovative features and ease of use, this printer is a game-changer in DIY firearms. Let's dive into what makes it the best choice for your project. First, the 25-point auto-leveling takes the hassle out of manual calibration, ensuring precise detection and fast leveling. Say goodbye to tedious adjustments and hello to accurate prints. Further, the power-off resume feature is a lifesaver. If you ever encounter an unexpected power failure, the printer intelligently pauses the process, saving your progress. The 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen adds a touch of sophistication to your printing experience. Its sensitive response and brighter display make navigating the printer's settings a breeze. You'll have complete control at your fingertips. The Anycubic Cobra Plus is the best 3D printer for ghost gun endeavors. Its intelligent leveling, power-off resume, user-friendly interface, solid construction, precise printing capabilities, and large build volume make it a top choice. With this fantastic printer, unleash your creativity and bring your firearm designs to life. If you want to purchase the 3D printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 4 is Anycubic Photon D2 Resin 3D Printer. Attention, ghost gun enthusiasts! Prepare to have your minds blown by the extraordinary Anycubic Photon D2 Resin 3D Printer, the ultimate weapon for unleashing your creativity. This magnificent DLP 3D printer is a game-changer with cutting-edge features that will leave you in awe. Imagine wielding the power of thousands of mirrors that converge light directly onto the resin tank, eliminating any distortion or diffusion. With this technology, the Photon D2 surpasses LCD 3D machines' printing accuracy, ensuring your ghost guns are nothing short of perfection. Say farewell to lackluster prints and embrace the astonishing level of detail this marvel can achieve. Prepare to be mesmerized by the mind-boggling light uniformity of over 92% that the Photon D2 offers, thanks to its innovative double light uniformity algorithm. Combine that with its anti-aliasing algorithm, and your miniatures will come to life with unparalleled precision and breathtaking intricacy. But wait, there's more! The Photon D2 boasts unrivaled durability and cost efficiency. Its DLP projector boasts an astonishing lifespan of 20,000 hours, a jaw-dropping 10 times longer than LCD printer screens. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it. Number 5 is Pension Original Pro 3D Printer. Prepare to embark on an exhilarating journey into 3D printing and ghost guns. We're about to unveil a gem that will surely ignite your passion. Let us introduce the Pension Original Up Tarantula Pro 3D Printer, ranking at number 5 on our list of the best 3D printers for ghost gun enthusiasts. This extraordinary machine combines power and convenience, starting with its robust aluminum frame that guarantees a sturdy structure, perfect for all your printing endeavors. With an impressive build volume of 235 by 235 by 250 millimeters, the Tarantula Pro opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to bring many ghost gun models to life. Versatility is the name of the game when it comes to filament compatibility. The Tarantula Pro supports 1.75 millimeters filaments such as PLA, flexible PLA, wood, PVA, and HIPS, allowing you to experiment and create with different materials. Prepare to be mesmerized by the Tarantula Pro's upgraded RGB screen, which not only adds a touch of style but also serves as a window into the magic of your prints. The screen's captivating colors dynamically reflect the printer status, keeping you engaged and informed throughout printing. So if you want the Pro 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for ghost gun. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.